When a trial's over, most of the time the jurors get to speak with the lawyers, and I take that as an opportunity to learn more about what jurors think. And something I always like to ask them is, what did they make their decision on, and when did they make their decision about guilt or innocence? It shocked me to learn that 85% of jurors literally decide the case in the first 15 minutes before any witnesses take the stand, just upon hearing about what the charges are, how the defendant is dressed, and how the defendant acts in court. Knowing that jurors decide the case so quickly, I try to use that to my advantage with my clients by asking them to act in a way to try to connect with the jury right at the start. The way they look at the jury, making eye contact with each juror just for a brief second, by creating a positive demeanor, by interacting well with the judge and the bailiff and with myself, and even being polite to the prosecutor. Those are all things that a defendant can do in front of a jury that sends off a favorable signal. Another example would be when the judge reads the charges to the jury. When the trial starts, the judge will read the actual charges to the jury. If a client puts their head down while that happens, that gives the impression they're guilty. So one of the things we work on with a client before the trial starts is how to get through that first 15 or 20 minutes and to endear themselves to the jurors as best they can.